It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Jeep are offered, including front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, speed-sensitive wipers, an outside temperature display, a roof rack, and cruise control. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Call now to schedule a test drive.